This is my friend, Shawnee Ranger. And that's Django, named in honor of Django Reinhardt, the three-fingered gypsy jazz guitarist. We met in grad school studying philosophy. I had been in the US for a year or two. I recall my initial disorientation. People avoid each other's gaze around here. At the time, I was interested in ethical questions. Why do we say that some things are right and others are wrong? How do people decide what's right, and yet others arrive at a different conclusion? I used to think of these things, as most people do, in a two-layer structure. First layer, the images, the facts, and neutral perception of things. And then a second layer we put on top of perception, judgments, opinions, interpretations. Then a motorcycle came into our lives. A motorcycle with a family of 3 on it: father, mother, and baby. We may have been on a bus, heading to a river or the beach. I don't remember. Something touristic. We were traveling in Colombia, where I'm from. Maybe he said it right when they passed, but I didn't notice who had a helmet on and who didn't. "Don't you think that's dangerous?" he said. "I mean, really, that baby in between the 2 parents without a helmet? That's sort of irresponsible." "What do you mean?" I asked. "Are they not supposed to go places? What if they're going to the doctor or to the park? Are you suggesting they don't care about their child?" "I guess they do, but..." I don't think we talked about it anymore after that. I didn't see what he saw. Most Colombians wouldn't. I knew there were differences between us. That wasn't the important part. What still resounds to me is how natural both our perspectives were for each of us. How evident, how automatic. There is no neutral layer. When things first appear, they're already colored, already interpreted. For a while, this episode helped me make sense of these different ways I had found of thinking about these things. But I keep wondering.